Thanks for watching WCCO and CBSN Minnesota. Heroes of the pandemic could get a slice of a $250 million deal at the state capitol.
Legislative leaders say they've agreed to $250 million in bonuses for Minnesota frontline workers. WCCO's Caroline Cummings is live in St. Paul to explain what still needs to be hammered out. Caroline?
Good evening, Frank. So that money comes from a larger pot of money that sent from Washington and the American Rescue Plan, which sent billions of dollars to Minnesota. And it authorizes it for that very use, premium pay for essential workers. But two big questions still loom over the state capitol. Who will be eligible for the money and how much of it will they get?
No bill's perfect.
Lawmakers are putting together the last details of their budget agreements in the final days of the special session. Flush with federal relief, the top Republican and Democrats say they have a deal to recognize pandemic frontline workers with bonuses.
We're acknowledging that there are a lot of people on the front line of this, long-term care facilities and others, that we want to say, yes, we acknowledge that you were there, and we want to give a bonus related to that.
But who will be eligible and what their share of the $250 million earmarked for the program will be isn't yet known and likely won't be until the fall. House Speaker Melissa Hortman says the goal is to establish a group of 9, 3 appointed by the governor, 3 by the House, and 3 by the Senate, and they would deliberate and deliver recommendations to the legislature after Labor Day. Hortman acknowledges it's a tall order. There's at least 1 million Minnesotans deemed essential this last year and a half.
There's no shortage of heroes, and it will be a difficult issue to ascertain who belongs in that pool and how much can we give them and how do we distribute the money.
Guidance from the Treasury Department says the federal dollars can be used as premium pay for, quote, additional support to those who have and will bear the greatest health risks because of their service in critical infrastructure sectors.
The Democratic focus will be on those members of the frontline hero staff that are lower paid, don't have access to paid leave, and don't have work environments where they were compensated for the additional danger of what they were going through.
Now, we haven't seen any bill language yet, but leaders say that this is all a framework that they have agreed to. Now, for the $52 billion budget, most of that is sorted with the deal, including K-12 spending plans. But the single most contentious issue, which is that public safety budget where DFLers want to see police reform tucked in it, that's still yet to be sorted. And all of this, though, has to get together by the end of next week to avoid a government shutdown, Frank.
Yeah, could be an interesting week next week, Caroline. Thank you.